going to demonstrate how to work with a DEM, how to extract a subset and set the projection, how to create a hillshade, and then how to do a viewshed analysis. So I have an open project that has a projected roads file, the Eugene Springfield urban growth boundary projected, and I also have loaded a DEM of western Willamette Valley. And as you can see, the DEM is much larger. It's a very large area. It's much larger than the Eugene Springfield area, and I want to focus on that. So I'm going to zoom in to Eugene Springfield, and I want to create some hillshade and some viewshed analysis that only covers this extent of the DEM of meters. My DEM, however, is in a different projection. It's in Lambert conformal conic with user-defined linear distance. So first thing I'm going to do is click on the data, extract data, and this is the exact process you use to create a new shapefile from selected information. I need to set the location first for my new DEM, and this is a little different. Usually if I wanted to put the DEM grid file in a folder, I would have to open the folder completely. In this example, you just click on the folder you want to place the DEM in. Where it says name, you click add. I want to change the extent to the extent of the data frame. I don't want the original raster, and I don't want to keep it in the original projection. I want to change it to the projection of the data frame. So now my DEM will have the same projection as my roads and my Eugene urban growth boundary. So I have my location set, I've set my spatial reference and my extent, and now I need to change the format to a grid format and change the name to subset or something so I'll know that I have done that. And I click save. This takes a few minutes. When the data is done processing, the computer asks if I want to add this to my data layer, and I do. I want to zoom out a little bit, and you can see my smaller DEM then is showing up. Now I'm going to remove this. These are pretty big and they take a long time to draw. I can also go into my properties, and under symbology I'm looking at the stretched value. Now if I invert these values, I get the light color indicates the lower elevations, the dark colors indicate the higher elevations.